My friends are here. Hey, hey.
Oh,
high five.
Hurrah.
High five. High five. High five. High five. What are you doing?
My beautiful welds. We're not going to look inside. These are terrible on the outside, but this is like my first actual weld.
Hold on, I can't see it. We got to see it in the light.
Don't look, because there's a hole in one of these. But this is my little exhaust turn down that I made. I'm trying to move it around quick so you can't see my crappy
Wait,
welds.
hold on.
You can't see my crappy welds.
The hole.
So my exhaust on the Blue Z, it like goes straight out and it backfires a lot, and the whole underside of that car is black. So I want to make
like
it
your face.
Turn down. Oh, is it black now too?
Bro, you look. Oh my God! You look like the Thornberry. You look like the dad in the Thornberries. Yes, he does. Doesn't he look like him? I'm gonna put a picture of him right here. Come look this way. Ah, wait. We gotta put you in the light. Look this way. Look this way. Ah. Today, our R&D garage, we're gonna be working on this Z right here. It's my friend Tony's, and I put a clutch in it last year, but the slave already went out because it was an eBay slave, and you know that's what happens. And it's internal because it's an 07, so the slave is inside the transmission, but we're gonna change it so it's gonna be external. Z1 makes this kit where you can basically use your same trans, which is a CD09, and it's good synchros and all that, and then you can adapt it so the slave's on the outside. If you ever have an issue, you can fix it, but you most likely will not have another issue because internals just suck. I don't know why, they just fail all the time. I've already done multiple of them in different cars. Kit's in here. All right. That's the shield. This is like such a tiny box for like this massive kit. Pretty exciting.
What's the kit for, Marco?
External slave.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
You've never seen this?
No.
It's pretty cool, watch. So like, let me get all these parts out. There's so many parts. Basically, you replace this part in your transmission. That's that's the cover inside.
Inside the
belt housing?
Okay.
Yeah. So you replace that, and then now, where is it? Right there goes a pivot point, and now you can use a fork type with that pivots, and it's external now.
Do you not have that normally? These SRs already have that.
Yeah, so like SR, KA, S13, all that, they're all external with a slave already there. The 03, 06 3DZs are like that too.
Oh, okay.
But the 07, 08 HRs and all that stuff are internal, just like my T56 and my drift car.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so now we're gonna make it external, so if it breaks, you don't have to drop your trans anymore. Not that it's gonna break. See, this is cool though. Look at this slave.
I had a pivot ball break on my SR trans actually. I went to a Nismo pivot ball. I paid for that for some reason.
Yo, it broke on you?
I had it break for me in the Kobe parking
Yes,
lot.
but I bet you could replace it without dropping the trans.
I might have been able to, but it was my first time. Like, it was my first time touching a trans. I had Wes from Juku.
Yeah.
He literally came to help me. Like, he finished work. I'm like living in the dorms at the time. I literally dropped my trans in the towers dorms at UCF.
Yeah, that happened to me. That happened to me in my KA S13, my first one ever, and you can actually replace it. I actually cut the boot to the fork, and you can replace it with like pliers and stuff.
Oh, really?
And you just like, and once you get it in, then you can get a wrench and just take forever flipping it upside down and whatever. And I got it tight, and it never broke again. It worked. How's it going?
I'm just tightening this up, and I have like the wrong size.
Oh, now you got to run all the way back.
It's like a 15. Oh, these are probably American.
Yes, that would make sense. Bro, that looks pretty good on there.
I know, it like fits perfectly.
And it's right at the sway bar, so it's like fire. Like legit, literal fire.
Yeah. It'll actually
We're gonna have to put a GoPro under here.
It'll shoot flames down. I did one before, and that's how I cracked my second GoPro lens.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna have to put one of your GoPros in here.
Alright, hey, we need like I need a wrenchy wrench.
I'll get it. Hey, all of you standing there. He needs a wrenchy wrench.
What kind? What size, I mean?
Like,
Boyle's here.
who's figured out who your free friends are? Hey, like a 15.
A 15.
What's louder, a Hispanic woman or a floor jack on concrete?
Ooh, dude.
Marco.
Wait, hey, listen.
Oh, guys. The seasons.
Well, just turn it off.
I mean, I don't know. I'm supposed to know.
It's a Z's on. It's a Z.
He doesn't know how to turn Z's on.
Hey, wait. Boyle had a great idea.
He just knows how to turn his trans on.
Boyle had a great idea. He said, how many of us would it take to lift Matt to the rear end?
Me.
Of the Z, not your actual.
I lift my rear end.
No. The Z.
Out of
Come
it.
on.
All right.
I said Chad could do it by himself.
Chad, you try first, and then we'll add more people. If
Yeah.
Chad can't do it, no one else can. Ooh, switch, bro.
Straight deadlift, bro.
Ooh, let's go.
All right. Hold on. Chad, Boyle, Matt. All right. Chad, Boyle, Matt.
We could have picked
Jamal, what did you walk into? What did you walk into, Jamal?
This is the only time you're gonna be darker than I am. Look at this guy.
Apparently you can't just do it once. You got to do it multiple times.
Let's see if we can do 4 people. Let's see if we can do 4. Or 3.
You guys tried.
Do 4. 1, 2, 3.
On nitrous and it'll just like boom!
Oh, don't kill us though. Let's see if we can see some flames. What does it sound like? That's amazing!
No, Wednesdays is for the boys!
Wednesdays is for the boys!
Wednesdays for the boys!
Oh, look, more people showed up.
Boys and their toys!
What are you doing?
He's in
What are you doing? Trying not to fuck up my bumper.
He's in skid drive. What are you doing? Oh my god!
Wow! My boy.
What up? Straight out of work.
For the boys. Yo, these new wheels though. Hold up. Tito with the fitment. Oh.
I can't even fit a shoe in there. That's pretty good.
Let me see the other side. And the bumper, it's got a bumper on. What kind of drift car has a bumper? Especially a Z.
I don't have a bumper.
How else are we gonna stand?
Oh my God. Is it on? Oh, it's still going. Light it again. That's good. Oh, the grass is on fire. Turn it off. Matt was jumping on his bike and broke it.
What's up, man? Are you done, bro? I gotta fucking
No, you gotta weld it. You gotta weld it. He broke the shock right there to there. So I was supposed to work on the Z today, but then all my friends came over, and now I'm like tired. I literally got one exhaust nut off. That was it. I haven't gotten anything else off. I still have to do this, but all these people were distracting me. Steven's there too. Everybody. They're distracting me. So good night. I don't want to see you guys anymore. And we're back. These guys all left. It's the next day. We got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna drop the trans real quick, but the exhaust is like an aftermarket exhaust, HKS, and I think it goes over the sway bar. So that's gonna be first, and that really sucks to do. So let's get the trans out. Hazim's here, he's helping me, and we got the trans out. Now we gotta take this whole piece out and replace this whole slave. As you can see, it's internal. I can't do it. It's like very stuck. That's what it looks like. Looks like the bottom 4 had a thread locker for the bolts not to come out. This is why these never last. They're all made out of plastic. It's crap. Don't need to reuse the gasket because the kit comes with a brand new one from Nissan. We're gonna put the new plate on the gasket and then we'll work from there. So this can come off. There you go. Free gasket for you. They give you like a lot of stuff. In this little packet here, there was some thread locker or Loctite, and I already used it. You're only supposed to use it on the bottom 4 screws, by the way. Got it all in. It's a very short throw because of this little housing right here. It's not supposed to be for this, so it's very short, which means that the shim stack right here, you need to measure the clutch and flywheel, and then there's an equation to tell you how much you have to shim. Me and Hazem have an idea of what we measured, but we also don't because this is our first time doing this. So if you do mess up, you're gonna drop the trams and fix that shim there. So let's cross our fingers and hope we don't have to do that. After 3 tries, me and Hazem finally put the trans in. That's what that looks like. That was crazy. So basically, you want your throwout bearing to be a millimeter or so off, so that way it doesn't wear out prematurely. It's like 1:30 in the morning on a Thursday, and I have to work tomorrow. Hazem's here to help me, and we've done so much. We had to put the trans in 3 times to get the shim right. I guess we didn't do enough the first time, and we didn't measure the clutch flywheel distance right. So that sucked. And then we added too much by a millimeter, and then we had to take that 1 mil out, and now it's perfect. It's like won't even get any better than that. So we're gonna leave it like this. Everything is kind of set up and mounted. All I gotta do left is put the little shields and run the line and bleed it, and then the drive shaft and the exhaust, and the car's done. Then we can go test it and see how it does. I'm pretty excited, but I'm also pretty tired. So I have to go to work tomorrow, and then after work I'll be right back on day 3. Thank you, Hazem, for being here, for helping me.
You're welcome.
Could have done it without him. Second set of hands always works. Make sure you have a friend with you. This video has just been all over the place. I finished the car, I test drove it, it's ready to go, ready to drift. I'm on my way to Matt's house because from there we're gonna go to the track for a video, another video that we're making for tonight. And you guys need to go check out Matt the Ginger's channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe and stay tuned for videos on there. And then I got more videos of my Z that I'm gonna be working on tomorrow. I'm sorry I kind of skipped a lot through the installation of the delete. Kind of showed you the most important parts of it, but it was a lot to do, and I've been working like crazy and coming over here after work, and my hands are destroyed. I've just been like in a hurry the whole time. So thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, and see you next time. Goodbye.